This is a big event you cannot miss. Righteousness exalt a nation and sin is a reproach to man. We alone some brown, Mama Angie, Father Woody from the East, remember this. Real champion son of dancehall in a combination. And I Canada this a gwaan, you know. So all Canadian people, I want to tell you, don't be surprised if you see Big Youth rolling as a guest. Remember me tell you, because we don't only endorsing, we outflash things. Make it a date and don't be late. Saturday the 30th of March 2019. 9-1-10. Move y'all! Run, come in at the dance. Original dancehall champion thing. Run, come in at the dance. And remember, if you're coming to have fun, leave this king at home. Because I just love and happiness and joy we're dealing with. Run things promotion. Papa Lonesome, Mama Angie, Father Woody, real dancehall thing. Make it to date and don't be late. Lord of mercy.
Younger, but perish from his ways with his rod to skin but a little. And so blessed be all, blessed be Run Things International. Father Lonesome, Will Lonesome, Sweet Lonesome, and Mama Angie. Believe it today. Run Things International. And so blessed be all they that put their trust in the true and living Run Things International. God, this man shall be like the holy mountains of Zion that cannot be removed but abiding forever. That's how the mountains run about I will see them. And so the browns are running about the people that say. So be wise therefore ye kings and be struck to ye fire judges of this earth. Serve way lonesome brown with fear, rejoice with shame. Kiss I not the son unless he be anger, but perish from his ways when his wrath is king but a little. And so blessed be all, blessed be Run Things International, I will say. Some boy me say you want ya, but you no born ya. And I know international Run Things life make you come on ya. Straighter than dread, straighter than dread. Say when one is wicked, got to kill them dead before them spread, as I will say. Say you no born ya, but you want ya. And I know lonesome make you want ya. We never said come call you on ya.